Khawatan's Raat, आप हैं आपके love coach Raul Markin के साथ and it's very hard to find a combination of someone who's very intelligent, who is a PhD in human resource, who is an internationally renowned Kathak dancer and also an actress and also a producer. ये सारी की सारी खूबियाँ जब एक ही इंसान में मिले वैसे तो ऐसा होता नहीं, इट्स वेरी रेयर टू फाइंड, पर अगर हो जाए तो वो इंसान ऐसा मिलता नहीं है। वो इंसान आज हमारे साथ बैठी हैं एक्चुअली। लेट्स वेलकम वन एंड ओनली आरुषि निशंक। हाउ आर यू आरुषि?
Thank you so much. First of all, just giving me a nice reminder what all I am. Being in this profession that sometimes I forget I'm a PhD too. But yeah, thanks for the gentle reminder.
सो आरुषि, आप बहुत सारा अपने बारे में भी सुनते रहते होंगे, देखते रहते होंगे ऑन इंस्टाग्राम और इन न्यूज़। सो व्हाट इज द दैट बिगेस्ट मिसकंसेप्शन अबाउट यू दैट यू हियर ऑफन और लोगों को आज वो बताना चाहते हैं कि वो सही नहीं है?
So we're really talking about it. I think this is part of being a celebrity or coming from a certain background. वो एक बैगेज होता है, जब आप पैदा होते हैं तो वो आपके सिर पे रख दिया जाता है. Few people see it only a silver spoon in our hand and mouth, बट बहुत सारे लोगों को वो बर्डन नहीं दिखता जो हमारे पैदा होते हमारे सिर पे रख दिया जाता है. That we have to be a certain way, we have to talk in a certain way, we have to wear clothes in a certain way, we have to be in a certain places. और अगर हमने खुदा ना खास्ता कभी अपनी सक्सेस अपने पेरेंट्स से थोड़ी कम आंक ली तो फिर you're not worth it. So for us, जिस दिन से हम पैदा होते हैं उस दिन से मुझे लगता है एक सक्सेस मीटर शुरू हो जाता है. दैट हम उस ट्रेडमिल में हैं जहाँ पर not even knowingly we are competing with our own the person who has set a target for you, जिन्होंने आपके पूरी पीढ़ी को एक अच्छा मुकाम दिया है. जैसे for my father I would say that he has given us this Nishank title also. He earned that title and he worked so hard in his life to make us this life. तो आप उस ऑरा के साथ में कहीं ना कहीं कॉम्पीट कर रहे होते हैं एंड यू आर ट्राइंग योर बेस्ट टू बी देयर. मैंने बहुत बार सुन लिया अपने लिए कि मैं सिल्वर स्पून हूँ और इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर मी टू हैव थिंग्स, बट I want to tell that, of course, I am a person who believe in gratitude, and I'm very, very thankful that I have been born in such family. I have got such a great, great, great father, जिनको देख के हमने बहुत सारी चीजें सीखी है. But I want to tell them that it's not easy because grass always look greener on other side. We have very different challenges. When I'm in Bollywood, I'm not an advocate. I can't be because my father is not a star. But for the North, I'm not even a commoner. So my journey is like who I am. So I'm still trying to figure out who I am. So guys, yeah, it's not easy.
Talking about your recent movie, जिसके बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा hype भी है अभी, Battle of Shatrughat. It's a war drama combining epic storytelling, romance, historical elements भी हैं. मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, what drew you to that film?
I have always great love for history. Even very few people know that I love traveling the world. I have been to many places, many countries. And the very first thing I would like to do is that to know the history of that country and that city and then visit those places. And I have my own thinking उस बात को समझने का जो हमारी हिस्ट्री ने हमें सिखाया है. और ऐसे में मेरे पास द बैटल ऑफ शत्रुघाट की स्क्रिप्ट आती है. It's a dream come true because first of all it's a queen role, एक महारानी का रोल है. एंड जो मैं बात भी कर रही थी कि यू ऑलवेज हैव बीन ब्रॉट अप इन अ सर्टेन वे, तो मुझे लगता है कि जो आपके लिए डिसएडवांटेज हो सकता था इंडस्ट्री में, अगर आप उसी को अपना एडवांटेज बना लें, सो नथिंग कैन बी लाइक दैट. एंड आई थिंक आई ट्राई टू यूटिलाइज दैट माई डिसएडवांटेज टू माई बेनिफिट इन टू द स्क्रिप्ट. सो आई ब्रॉट काइंड ऑफ अरुषि ऑल्सो फॉर इन बैटल ऑफ शत्रुघाट. रेस्ट द स्टोरी इज अमेजिंग. मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ हमारे भारत में बहुत सारी कहानियां हैं जो छुपी हुई हैं. The right filmmaker has to come and make such stories. कैसे भारत ने हमेशा अपनी एक जगह को बचाए रखने के लिए, बनाए रखने के लिए बहुत सारी लड़ाइयाँ लड़ी. And we all are very proud Indian. This is a story about the same how we have saved India. उसकी अस्मिता को बचाने के लिए कैसे पूरी एक लड़ाई हुई, एंड या इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी.
So when the script came to you, because it's a real historical event that happened, the Battle of Shatrughat, what is that one thing about the story which shook you emotionally and it made you say कि मुझे ये करना है?
Honestly, if you ask me, I was little greedy as an actor. And if you ask any actor, we want to show versatility on the screen. Because हम लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं अपने पे, अपने क्राफ्ट पे, और हम चाहते हैं कि हमें ऐसा मौका दिया जाए जहाँ पर हम दिखा सके दैट we can do this also and we can do this also. There's a variety of emotions and the character. For me, in Battle of Shatrughat, बहुत ही खूबसूरत आर्क है मेरे कैरेक्टर का, जहाँ पर वो रानी भी है, बट वो पहले रानी से पहले कौन थी जो मैं भी आपको नहीं बताऊंगी, आपको पिक्चर देखनी पड़ेगी. But it's a beautiful arc of that character, that how she has shaped into this महारानी, and वो हर एक लड़की की कहानी है. और मुझे उसमें हॉर्स राइडिंग करने को मिली. I was training for the horse riding. I train for तलवारबाजी. I hit myself a lot. मेरी स्टोरीज पे देखते रहते होंगे लोग कि आज यहाँ चोट लगा ली, आज यहाँ चोट लगा ली. तो मैंने तलवार के लिए ट्रेनिंग किया, फिर मैंने भाला की ट्रेनिंग करी, एंड देयर इज लॉट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग बिफोर वी गो ऑन द शूट. एंड इट्स अ पीरियोडिक ड्रामा, सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. हम 40-40 किलो के लहंगे और ज्वेलरी पहन रहे हैं, हम 44 डिग्री सेल्सियस में शूट कर रहे होते हैं, और ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट देयर इज नो नेचुरल, इट हैज टू बी अ नेचुरल सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. तो उतनी गर्मी में हमारे बगल में मशाले जला दी जाती है. So that's a tough actor's life, you know.
We've seen you in very elegant, artistic avatars before, but ये बहुत fierce है, बहुत intense है, एक warrior oriented character है. So what was the biggest challenge in transforming from your real to this real life?
I know. I know. That's a bit challenging. First of all, I've been asked that जब भी हम महारानी की प्रेप भी कर रहे थे, तो बहुत शुद्ध हिंदी में हमें बात करनी थी, और हम लोग आम तौर पे शुद्ध हिंदी में बात नहीं करते. एक एक्टर का इम्पल्स होता है जब भी हम सीन में होते हैं कि हम अपनी रियल लाइफ की जिंदगी से कुछ चीजें निकाल के उसमें ले आते हैं. बट इट्स अ पीरियोडिक ड्रामा. लाइक मैं रोज वॉर नहीं लड़ रही हूँ, मैं सिंहासन पे रोज नहीं बैठती हूँ, मैं युद्ध के लिए रोज आदेश नहीं देती हूँ. सो दैट बिकम वेरी वेरी चैलेंजिंग, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग पार्ट ऑफ इट, बिकॉज यू हैव इतनी भारी नथ है आपके चेहरे पर, एंड देन योर एक्सप्रेशन यू हैव टू होल्ड, योर डूइंग योर डायलॉग डिलीवरी ऑल्सो विच हैज टू गो इन अ सर्टन वे. और आपके हिंदी के शब्द इधर उधर नहीं हो सकते. यू कैन नॉट ब्रिंग योर स्लैंग इन टू योर सीन. So that become very difficult for me.
Do you believe women in powerful positions, they intimidate men?
Oh, I love this question. And I think everybody should ask each other, not only to a woman, but to a man also. Of course, I feel that. And if that woman is beautiful and lesser of your age, that's coming more to you. So, I don't know, हम 21वीं सदी से भी ऊपर बढ़ रहे हैं, बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं अभी भी seeing a woman into a typical role is there, and in our industry also it hasn't changed much in the last few years.
And why do you think this happens?
See, if you see our history also, not only India, it's not only about India, so it's about the world. And when we women say that we stand for equality, हम ये नहीं बोल रहे हैं कि आप 50 किलो का डंबल उठाते हैं, हम भी उठा के दिखाएंगे, हम ये बिल्कुल नहीं बोल रहे हैं. We know that physically a man woman cannot be same, but what we fight, what we stand for is for the equal opportunity, equal pay scale, you know. Even though in our industry you see that man has been paid more, a woman has been paid less, even though both are the main lead. मेरे ख्याल से हो सकता है कि that woman is giving more time and more energy because she has lots of other things also to handle. But this is not changing much. But again, the same time, I'm very happy about it. I was in IFFI Goa, and I was sitting with a very renowned director, film director, and उनके आगे लिखा था famous film director और मेरे आगे लिखा था famous film producer. And there I find my equality, you know. It wasn't written the male director and the female producer. So I think I'm very happy that we are in the industry which is working very democratic way. But yeah, we have a little way to go forward.
Super. As our show is about love, relationships, do you think today's generation they fall too quickly into love, and of course they fall out of love very fast?
Of course, I agree. I so agree with you. And you know, that was a time, I don't know, this new very Gen Z people have not seen that. We used to write a letters and we used to receive the greeting cards. Um, it wasn't about a physical thing actually. It was about the efforts you were making.
True, true.
तो आप आराम से बैठ के किसी के लिए लेटर लिखते थे and you're putting your feelings to it. So that was way more meaningful for me. आप जब किसी के लिए कोई एफर्ट करते हैं तो उसके पहले उसके बारे में बहुत सोच रहे होते हैं. For a girl, it has been said, doesn't matter who you are, but if you're consistent into your efforts, I'm not giving you tips, guys, but I'm just sharing one thought that if you're going to be consistent in your efforts to impress a girl and to show that you genuinely like her, then their chances are more. And I feel this generation is losing on the patience. They don't have much patience. They want everything very quickly, but प्यार वो है जिसमें थोड़ा सा समय और संयम.
Yes, as you said, like they are very passionate, but they are not consistent. तो वो efforts अगर वो शुरू में डाल रहे हैं तो बाद में वो इतना नहीं डालेंगे. Because now they are in love. तो चलो अब हो गया है तो फिर क्या करना?
Yeah, but this is what bothers me, you know. Like I feel female are different in this way. You know, they're more consistent. They are more deep once they fall in love. And I feel that it's very other way around for a men when they feel that they have achieved the girl they were trying hard to get, and then effort goes lesser. You know, maybe for the girls also, I don't know, but it has to both ways. You know, because रिश्ते को बनाए रखने के लिए we have to make a lot of efforts. It's not easy.
Do you think like dating as a public figure is more complicated because people assume things that are not even there?
Of course, I feel that, and you know, it's very difficult for celebrity and the people like us who are very socially very active and our information out there for everyone to do cheer far and then do a research on us. So it becomes difficult because you're going to be always judged. And it's more painful. That's why the celebrities hide their child faces also. They do not taking their relationship out into the social media because आप अपने लिए तो चीजें सुन सकते हैं लेकिन the person you really love उसके बारे में सुनना अच्छा बुरा, and then you become, you know, a public discussion, the topic you're giving to people that they look good together. No. They don't. No, she deserve better. Or he deserve better. So yeah, it's very, very difficult.
आपके लिए क्या ज़्यादा मुश्किल है दोनों में से, एक रिलेशनशिप को मेंटेन करना या उसे दुनिया से बचाना, to protect it from the world?
I think both things are very important to me. And it's a very weird thing I'm telling on this platform today about me, that you see, you believe that you see half of my life or full of my life on Instagram, but that's not true. I am very particular about my family and my people. I cherish my personal space and I do not like to share everything and tell everything about everyone. So that's how I'm protecting my people also, my feeling. And certainly I don't want people to, you know, मैं अपने लिए ले सकती हूँ शायद चीजें कि oh, this outfit is not looking good or she walked in Cannes, she could have done better. But it's not easy for you to, you know, take your people on that grill, and उनकी कोई गलती नहीं है. If they are part of your life, if they love you so much, that don't give my fans a liberty to, you know, come and barge in and then, you know, start blaming and commenting about my people. So yeah, I try to secure that.
Is love about comfort or challenge, and what has your experience taught you?
This is a very deep topic. It's never been easy to define love, I believe. One thing I really stuck with Metro in दिनों dialogue that आपको बहुत बार एक ही आदमी से अलग-अलग तरीके से प्यार में पड़ना होता है.
True.
So I believe I am a very old school. I love शेर और शायरी. I come from that place. So for me, love is not about, just figuring out the best thing in one person and then seeing the other best thing in other person, because ये बात सच है, आपको कभी भी कोई perfect combination नहीं मिल सकता है. And love is most beautiful when it is not perfect. So accept the unperfect. Don't try to make it perfect, because nothing can be perfect in love. And we all have to figure out ways how to fall in love with the same person when they are not even perfect for you.
Wow, super. आपके ख्याल से जो आजकल का जो डेटिंग कल्चर है, आपको नहीं लगता है बहुत ज़्यादा इट्स टू डिस्पोजेबल? when you see जो आज की जनरेशन है, the kind of love they put forward, the kind of dating they are used to.
I am telling you, this is my new vocabulary, which my Gen Z teammates are, refining in me. Is a lot of ships has been introduced to me. There is a situationship. There is some benching, and I was like, what are you guys talking about? So it's like, oh, these things exist. So I think, yeah, they are very different people, but it's very difficult time also. Like, हमने अभी ट्रस्ट की बात करी, हमने प्यार की बात करी, हमने इम्परफेक्शन की बात करी. We are in a world of AI where everything with a click you can make it perfect and according to you. In this time, you want to fall in love with one person जिसके साथ आप जिंदगी बिताना चाहते हैं. So when you're coming from that schooling that through the AI I can make things better, and then ChatGPT can help me 4 o'clock even in night, telling me that should I break up with this person, or should I go to a therapist, or what should I eat. इस टाइम में ना इतना कॉम्पिटिटिव हो गया है ना टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आप किसके साथ प्यार में पड़ सकते हैं और किसके साथ आप रहना चाहते हैं. सो इट्स नॉट दिस जनरेशन फॉल्ट, एक्चुअली वी आर स्टैंडिंग इन अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टाइम. बट आई वुड से दैट टेक्नोलॉजी अपार्ट, it's a very beautiful world, and we all need friends, we all need companions. तो एक बार ट्रस्ट करके देखो और ट्रस्टवर्दी बन के देखो. It can be a beautiful world too.
If someone, it's a hypothetical situation.
I knew it would come.
If
Okay.
someone from your past wants to come back into your life, would you give them a chance?
No.
अच्छा, and why?
I believe my mother used to say कि एक बार जब गिठा पड़ जाती है, गांठ बन जाती है ना, तो उसके खोलने के बाद भी वो बल्ज नहीं जाता. So I believe one thing is broken, it's broken.
Absolutely. इस पे क्योंकि आपको शायरी पसंद है, तो इस पे 2 लाइंस है कि वो एक बार चला गया तो दोबारा नहीं आएगा, और अगर आ भी गया तो सारा का सारा नहीं आएगा.
Wow, that's what I mean.
So वो वापस कभी नहीं आता. अगर आता भी है तो he is not the same person. Or then, of course, if he is the same person, you will not be the same.
Yeah,
है ना?
that's true.
So, yes. One relationship rule everybody should follow in 2026.
Be the most authentic version of you, because हम सभी लोग क्या करते हैं जब हम पहली डेट पे जाते हैं और वी आर ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रेस समबडी, वी पुट आवर बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड, एंड वी आर नॉट दैट राइट. तो either try to maintain that best version of you for whole of your life, or otherwise be genuine in the first meeting even. If you have a habit of having a salt with your coffee, don't try to be the best. Don't try to be the most candid way. Be that buffoon. Be that simple person. Be that naive of you. And I think be the most genuine of you. And that's the only and only advice I would like to give it to people.
Wonderful, wonderful. And if in future, because you are also a producer, तो अगर आपको अपने ही लाइफ पर एक फिल्म बनानी हो, आप ही की say this part of your life, say from the 16 years old Arushi to 28 years old Arushi, तो उस फिल्म का नाम क्या होगा? And
putting me onto a spot. I would say it's unbeatable, Arushi.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
I like that way.
क्या बात है. And what are the other films which are in the pipeline जिसके बारे में आप बात कर सकते हैं?
Of course, I can't talk about any of the project much because we haven't announced. But very interestingly, we doing a very variety of the subjects. I'm doing one of the Uttarakhandi folklore also because I come from Uttarakhand. I have a great love for my state, and yeah, my face is so Uttarakhandi.
Yeah.
Everybody can say that. So I think I want to do characters which are very close to me. I don't want it to do something which I am not. I am going to do a Tamil and Hindi films also. One is we're going to announce very soon. But I have got a great love for the Tamil cinema also because they're technically very strong and the stories are very strong. So we are doing that. I'm doing one rom-com also with a big veteran actor where I'm very scared because his comic timing is super good. I have to work super hard on that. So yeah, from fighting to cracking jokes to making romance on screen,
Wonderful, wonderful.
I'm trying to do all of it.
Super, super. So all the best for the battle of Shatrughat सबसे पहले and rest of all your future plans whatever they are आपके future endeavors के लिए आपके future movies के लिए projects के लिए all the best and hope to see you super soon on the big screen again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank
very
you so much
much.
for
Thank you
having
very
me.
much.